In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Fortnite. Now, this same process works across any console, PS5, Xbox, Switch, PC, and then it'll allow you to log into a different account. So what we're going to need to do is open up Fortnite, and then we're going to go into our settings. So settings is in that top right button. So select that. And then we're going to go and scroll down until we hit the settings icon. So click that settings icon and then click into settings. And then here in that top navigation, we're going to go all the way to the end under account and privacy. So in account and privacy, we're going to go into the account section. And then there's this option to log out. So you can select log out, and that will log you out of your Fortnite account. And then you'll be able to log into a different Fortnite account. Now, depending upon the console you're using, if you log out, log into something else, play, and then turn off the console, when you turn it back on again, it'll be logged into the original account because that's what's been linked. So hopefully you found this helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.